Hello viewers, Namaskara and welcome to Rupee Rakshak News. Good to see you again.
This is our 8th episode of 6th October 2023.
I'm your host Raghu Rao, and every week we bring you key news and interesting information that affect your existing investments or that you can use to plan your new investments. So what difference does Rupee Rakshak News make to you? This is a news for investors from a registered financial advisor. So this is authentic, unbiased, and news that you can use. So let's take a look at the bond markets this week.
Coming to bond market updates this week, the yield on the US 10-year government bonds ended the week at 4.716%, and this is a significant weekly rise of around 2%, and therefore the US benchmark yields are at 16 years high now. And India's 10-year government bond yield closed at 7.217% with a flat closing for the week. The RBI is scheduled for a meeting on October 6, 2023, and there is an expectation that either they will hold the rates or have a small increase in the interest rates. In the bond market, there has been some selling pressure with the large bond ETF holders feeling concerned about the recent losses, with bond prices coming down, and this is resulting in the market being slightly oversold, especially as the 10-year yields are approaching 5%. Around the world, the UK 30-year bond yields hit 5%, the highest in 2 decades. And the German long-term bonds are back to the level of 2011 European debt crisis. Italy again hits 5% on its benchmark 10-year bonds, highest since 2012. So around the world, we see that the bond yields are topping the charts and bringing down the bond prices and exaggerating the losses for the bond traders. Coming to commodity markets, gold futures have experienced a 2.23% decline, equivalent to $28 when looking at the whole month's performance, while Brent futures in oil have seen a fall of 11% for the week, trading at $85.23. The top 3 government bonds this week from Rupee Rakshak bond baskets are the Government of India GSEC with a coupon rate of 8.3% and a yield of 7.33%, followed by Government of India GSEC at 7.54% coupon or interest rate and a yield of 7.3% again, and a GSEC from Government of India at 7.41% coupon rate and a yield of 7.3%. Viewers, these are the highest yields in a long time for the GSECs, and it is time you purchase GSECs and lock in these yields if you are a GSEC investor. And these government securities are AAA rated, are sovereign guarantee from the central government, pay you half yearly interest with high liquidity. The top 3 state government guaranteed bonds from Rupee Rakshak are those bonds that are issued by state-owned entities which are backed by a guarantee from respective state government. In many cases, even a budgetary allocation. The top bonds are Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited with a coupon rate of 10.55% and a yield of 9.69%, and UP Power Corporation Limited 2 bonds, one with coupon rate of 10.15% and the other one with a coupon rate of 9.75%, both with significant yields above 9%.
That's the roundup for the bond markets this week. If you would like to subscribe to any of the bond baskets that we just discussed, please visit www.rupeerakshak.com, discover page and look at the bond baskets.